الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام انظر كيف كذبوا على أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون. Translation: See how they lie against themselves and their forged gods will disappear to fail them. In the previous ayahs we studied that in the day of judgment when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the polytheists about their false gods, they will have no answer other than that they will simply refuse that they ever associated anyone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in today's ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that see how they lie against themselves and their forged gods will disappear to fail them, because in their hearts they knew that all their lives they were madly in love with their false gods, and those false gods could not do anything for them. So all their efforts of the world will go in vain and they will not get any benefit of that. This flat lie is showing the condition of the polytheists, that they can't even make any different excuse other than saying that they did not associate anyone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can only hope that all the people who associate false gods with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala understand this fact now, so that they cannot do any shirk, any polytheism, because in the day of judgment when they will be in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will not be able to make any excuse and they will not be able to make any lie. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from all kinds of polytheism and save us from any hint of shirk. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.